Wow, the moon is too big at this hour. Time check 11:17 p.m. Philippine time. Look at the moon. It's half moon. Only half moon. But it's too big for this hour. Maybe I am much closer to the moon than anywhere in the world. I don't know why, but it is very big. Half moon only, or maybe quarter moon. But it's so bright and it's so big. Here where I stand. Here am I. Hello. Hello guys.